Hi guys, and welcome to new video. This is something from Mukama site, and it's not sponsored or anything else, just some few things that I want to show you in here. Okay, this is receipt, and here we have some things. Okay, this is leather lanyard. It's in brown color, and I think that is about 1 meter long, so you can cut it and put it on knife, or I don't know, some tool. I think it's really nice. Okay, it was about 7 euros. Here we have 4 lanyard. This is brass S1 lanyard bead. Let's see how it looks, how it open. Okay. It's okay, it's nice. This will go on this, so I'm gonna put it on this leather lanyard. Here we have a titanium flat oval Keyring. It's nice. And for the last, Aogami Warikomi knife. This is a small pocket knife, and I really like that, and it's not something that you're gonna use every day, but it's so nice looking that I have to buy it. And it's made in Japan. Some Japanese letters, words. Okay, this is some leather pouch. Nice. And this is a knife in brass. Wow, really nice. Small, but I really love it. Let's see how sharp it is. Ah, it's okay. Wow. Small pocket knife, just, and wow, it's so beautiful. I really like it. I don't know, maybe I can put it on this leather lanyard and this bead. It's gonna look okay. Beautiful. I really love it. pouch. Wow, nice, nice. So that's it. Thank you guys, bye.